mornings with hills. We get for you Rosewood, a project made with love in the midst of Sahyadri ranges, surrounded by breathtaking sights you couldn't get enough of. 145 kilometers from Mumbai and near 45 kilometers from the city of Nashik, very near to Vipassana Meditation Center and famous Bhandardara Bhavali dams close by, is this amazing creation for you. Rosewood happens to be located amidst this intriguing beauty. Rosewood it is. We provide you with luxurious 1 BHK apartments with world-class amenities and recreational facilities right at your doorstep. To be precise, we offer you a spacious clubhouse, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, indoor games hall, a multi-purpose functional hall, senior citizen park with green gym to work out in nature's company, yoga and meditation facilities, garden and park for children, 24 hours CCTV surveillance. What's more, apart from all this, we give you separately dedicated areas for various sports like volleyball, cricket, badminton, basketball and many more, along with a poolside restaurant, ample parking space, concrete and well-lit roads, and last but not the least, an astro deck for stargazing. All this is just a decision away.
हेलो हाय आदाब नमस्कार, मैं हूं अली असगर एंड दिस इज जस्ट टू से दैट रोजवुड इगतपुरी में मैंने भी फ्लैट परचेज किया है एंड आई एम क्वाइट कंटेंट एंड हैप्पी विद द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क, सर्विस, एम्बियंस, मौसम, लोकेलिटी, amenities, and more than that, the builders are very nice people to deal with. All the best.
Rosewood, a classy getaway.